Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Osama, and my student number is 2023003. And today I'll be presenting task 2 of the topic managing product quality. In this scenario, I'll be playing a role as a project manager, and I'll be explaining the quality management approach which will be applied into our organization. So I'd like to begin now. Firstly, I would like to thank everyone who have attended today into our presentation. And for those who couldn't, it's very unfortunate. We would like to have you here. However, all the presentation slides and materials and presentation will be sent to you individually. And you are also encouraged that if you have any question related to this subject, to contact me personally. Today we'll be talking about manage project quality and how it could be applied into our Zim projects and specifically into our website projects. Let's begin that. Firstly, let's look at the content of the presentation. We'll be talking about us, the first point, who we are, and how did this company start. We'll talk about stakeholder responsibilities throughout the project of our website, quality expected from stakeholders. We'll talk about quality management plan, quality management approach, and quality management register. Moving on. We'll give an introduction about our company. Who are we? Well, Zim is a roasting coffee company with an e-commerce business model designed to become the market leader in online retail of Phuket Cafe. Well, how did Zim start? Zim was founded by husband John and Clubber Market Benefit. The couple decided to start online business in 2013 to allow more flexibility in their family. Zim instant success, and it has grown sustainably in its operation. Moving on. We'll be talking about the stakeholder responsibilities. What are the responsibilities? And I would like to remind everyone what is his role and involvement throughout our website project or in the company in general. Well, first of all, I would like to introduce my responsibility as a project manager. My responsibility would be to plan and create the project schedule, execute and finalize the project, manage components of the plan, delegate tasks to key team member, lead and manage the project team through each phase, engage with project stakeholders. The project team responsibilities would be solve project objectives, complete tasks in areas of expertise, document progress and setbacks and process. Steering committees, what are the responsibilities for them? Approve project outputs, guide project team and issue management, review and approve changes. Project sponsor, of course. Responsibilities are create overall project vision, approve budget and changes, create SMART goals, resolve conflicts as well. Let's talk about now quality is expected from the stakeholders. Well, I'll start with myself, the project manager. What are the quality expected from me as a project manager? Well, the project should be completed within the given time frame and budget. That's the first quality, while meeting the specified quality standards. The final product should meet the expectation of the stakeholders and end users. The project should comply with all applicable laws and regulations. Moving on, project team. Collaboration between team members is important to ensure that everyone is working towards the same goal, that the project is completed successfully. Continuous improvement, bring open feedback and suggestions. Departmental managers providing adequate resources, including skilled personnel and equipment, ensuring that any quality-related concern issue raised by the department are promptly addressed and resolved. Project sponsor and quality expected from him, support for quality management process, monitoring progress, timely decision making. Marketing manager, accuracy, the marketing content and messaging must be accurate. Well, it should be very clear quality. Relevance of the content for the website, the marketing manager must ensure that the marketing message is relevant to the target audience and the goals of the project. Brand consistency as well. Well, moving on, we'll talk about the management, quality management control. When we talk about quality management, we'll take our website project and let's discuss how this could be applied into the website project, for example. Well, the first example would be user experience. The first quality measurable, user experience. Well, what is user experience? Let's define that. Well, the website should be user-friendly and provide an intuitive user experience. The website should be easy to navigate with a clear calls to action and attractive design. The website should also lead quickly and accessible on various devices, including mobile phones and tablets. Well, isn't this a really good quality point? Well, let's look at whose responsibility of that or how it could be applied throughout the project. Well, the responsibility would be on the website developer and the project manager myself. Frequency of measurement, or when will they begin the measurement of the quality points? Well, it would be post deployment of the website. After the system is released, ongoing monitoring should be conducted to ensure that it continues to meet all quality requirements and standards. How will they measure or how this quality measurable could be conducted? Well, the website web developer will conduct a usability test and gather feedbacks from focus groups to ensure the website meets user needs. The project manager myself will review these user experience metrics and provide feedback to the website developer. The project manager will also ensure that the website is tested on various devices and it meets accessibility standards. Pretty much basic. Well, the second measurable points would be content quality. But what is content quality, or in other words, let's define that. Well, the website should have high quality, informative, and engaging content. The content should be written in a clear and concise manner with a proper grammar, spelling, and content should also be optimized for search engines to improve the website visibility in search results. Very nice quality point. Responsibility. What do you guys think? Whose responsibility would be that? I would say it would be on website developer and the marketing manager as well. Frequency of measurement. When can this point be applied? Before the system is released, final testing should be conducted to ensure that all quality standards have been met. How will they measure or how this could be applied within that quality point? Well, starting with the marketing manager will define the target audience, who we are targeting. Are they young people, old folks, big companies, small companies, medium, rich people, medium class? Ensure that the content aligns with their interests and needs. Second point is the website developer will ensure that the content is formatted correctly and optimized for search engines. The content creator will produce high quality and engaging content that is proofread and edited to ensure accuracy and readability. The project manager, after all, will review the content and ensure that it meets the project quality standards. Moving on, quality planning register. Now, in the future, when we apply this quality management approach, it's very vital and important that we have a quality planning registers. And how can we apply that? We'll have an example of that. The first point would be quality standards and requirement. Let's look at the first point, content accuracy and completeness, grammar and spelling accuracy throughout the website project. Well, what's the quality metrics or target, or how can this be applied? Well, content accuracy and completeness, 100% of website content must be accurate and complete based on the information provided by the project team. Grammar and spelling accuracy. The website content must receive a score of 95 or higher on spelling and grammar accuracy review. The second quality standard would be all website functions must be tested for functionality. All bugs and errors must be documented and addressed. What's the target for that, or what's the quality metric? Well, all website functions must be tested for functionality, and which should be scored of 100% of website function must be tested and confirmed as functioning correctly by the project team. All bugs and errors must be documented and addressed. All bugs and errors identified during functionality testing must be documented and addressed within 24 hours of discovery. Following up, quality standards requirements. The second point would be consistency with website wireframe design. Consistency with website wireframe design. 95% of all design elements of the homepage must be consistent with the wireframe design. Visual appeal and branding alignment. Visual appeal and branding alignment. The homepage design must receive a score 8 or higher on a scale of 1 to 10 on visual appeal and branding alignment review. And this would be the end of my presentation about the subject of quality management. I know in the future we would have various meeting and extending probably presentations and meeting. However, I'm really happy with the initiative we have taken as our first step to our quality management approach for our website project. And for those who attended today, I would like to thank everyone. Those who couldn't, I highly recommend you to revise the slides and my presentation. And if anyone have any questions, please email me or address a meeting which we can have a further discussion regarding the matter. Thanks everyone and have a good day.